Hi friends, what's up? This is our iPhone 360 reader. It's time to talk about the best tips and tricks to fix Wi-Fi not working in iOS 16 on iPhone and iPad. Looks like iOS 16 is as buggy as iOS 15. Recently, a good number of iPhone users have complained about the Wi-Fi issues after updating to iOS 16. If you have also found yourself on the wrong end of the problem, these tips will help you fix it. That said, let's jump right in. Before getting started, make sure you have subscribed our YouTube channel and hit the bell icon so that you won't miss any update from 360 Reader. First and foremost, I would recommend you to turn on off airplane mode. Airplane mode is more than capable to fix sluggish or ill-functioning Wi-Fi issues. Therefore, start this troubleshooting guide with this incredibly straightforward yet effective solution. On iPhone with Face ID, simply swipe down from the top right corner of the screen and then hit the airplane mode icon to turn it on. After waiting for a few seconds, tap on the airplane mode icon again to disable it. And on iPhone with Touch ID, swipe up from the bottom edge of the screen to bring up the control center and then hit the airplane mode icon to turn it on. Now wait for some time and then hit the airplane mode icon again to turn it off. Now open any web browser and navigate to any site to check if you have sorted out the Wi-Fi issues. If you have, then you have gotten the better of the problem. Next up, I would suggest you to turn off on Wi-Fi. At times, all you need to do to resolve a Wi-Fi issue on your iPhone is just turn off on the Wi-Fi toggle. So give it a go as well. Head into the Settings app on your iPhone, then tap on Wi-Fi, and then turn off the toggle located right next to Wi-Fi. Now restart your iPhone. Once your iPhone has rebooted, navigate to the Settings app and then turn on the toggle for Wi-Fi. Next up, I would suggest you to ensure that your device can automatically join known networks. While it's not a solution per se, make sure that your device can automatically connect to known networks. This is designed to enhance your user experience. Thus, make the best use of this feature to connect to a familiar Wi-Fi network without any hassle. To do so, open the Settings app on your iPhone, then tap on Wi-Fi. Then tap on Ask to join networks and then select Notify. Next up, I would suggest you to enable Wi-Fi Assist on your iPhone. Again, this one can't be considered a direct solution to the Wi-Fi issue. However, it can play a vital role in helping Wi-Fi work without any sluggishness or interruptions. For those unaware, Wi-Fi Assist enables your iPhone to automatically use mobile data when Wi-Fi connectivity is poor. Times when you are playing an online game that requires a strong and stable internet connection or binge watching a high-quality TV show, it can come in super handy, ensuring that the poor Wi-Fi connection does not ruin your experience. To do so, launch the Settings app on your iPhone, then tap on Cellular or Mobile Data. Then after, you have to scroll down to the bottom and then ensure that the toggle next to Wi-Fi Assist is turned on. Then I would suggest you to restart your router. Every time your iPhone faces a Wi-Fi issue, you should not jump the gun on iOS straight away. If the Wi-Fi network has encountered an occasional glitch, you can easily get rid of it by just rebooting the router. You can use the power button to restart your router. Besides, you can also remove the plug from the power source, then wait for about 5 minutes and then connect the Wi-Fi router to the power source again. Then I would suggest you to forget the Wi-Fi network and then reconnect. Another very reliable way to fix an ill-functioning Wi-Fi connection is to forget the Wi-Fi network and then reconnect to it. To do so, open the Settings app on your iPhone, then tap on Wi-Fi. After that, tap on the info button next to the Wi-Fi network. Then hit Forget this network and confirm the action. Now reconnect to the network. Once you have securely connected to the network, try to stream any video online to figure out if the issue has finally gone behind your back. Next up, I would suggest you to reset network settings. Believe me, there is no better troubleshooter for fixing a persistent network-related issue than this radical solution. Whenever I find myself entangled in a Wi-Fi or cellular problem, I look for it as my go-to hack. No prizes for guessing. I'm going to count on it to resolve this issue as well. To do so, open the Settings app on your iPhone, then tap on General. Then after, you have to scroll down to the bottom and tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone. Then tap on Reset. Then tap on Reset Network Settings and confirm the action. Next up, I would suggest you to contact your Wi-Fi provider. If the problem continues to persist on your iPhone, I will recommend you to contact your Wi-Fi provider and ask if the Wi-Fi network is currently facing any technical issues. If the network is going through an outage, you can't do anything but wait until the issue has been resolved. Then I will suggest you to update the software on your iPhone. As already stated above, iOS 16 seems to be already plagued with too many issues. Hence, the likelihood of a hidden bug that is causing Wi-Fi issue is strong. In this scenario, updating the software to the latest version of iOS is your best bet. Keep in mind that your iPhone must have around 50% power for being able to kickstart the software update. To do so, open the Settings app on your iPhone, then tap on General. After that, tap on Software Update. Now download and install the latest version of iOS as usual. Finally, I would suggest you to factory reset your iPhone. There is a pretty famous idiom that comes to mind when dealing with this radical solution. When the going gets tough, the tough get going. Save this hack for the times when all the basic tips fail to do their magic. For those unfamiliar, factory reset erases the entire settings on your iPhone. However, it does not harm any media or data. Therefore, you should not worry about losing any important data. To do so, open the Settings app on your iPhone, then tap on General. After that, you have to scroll down to the bottom and tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone. Then tap on Reset. Then after, tap on Reset All Settings and confirm the action. That's pretty much done. So these are the best tips and tricks to fix Wi-Fi issues in iOS 16 or later. Hopefully you have overcome the problem. If you found this video helpful, do like and share it, and I'll see you in the next video with more such handy tips and tricks. Till then, stay safe and have a great time. Bye-bye.